Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. It is sad to announce the passing of Presley Chweniyagae, aka Koprizi. He passed away at the age of 40. His death was confirmed on 27 May 2025, leaving the entertainment industry and fans across the country in mourning. Chweniyagae was a prominent figure in South African film and television, celebrated for his powerful performance both screen and on stage. He rose to international fame for his leading role in the Oscar-winning film Tsotsi, and continued to earn more for his work in various productions throughout his career. In addition to his contribution to the art, Chweniyagae was deeply committed to the community development. He used his platform to uplift and inspire, especially in unprivileged and rural areas. Through his foundation, he led workshops and outreach programs aimed at empowering disadvantaged communities through the performing arts. He is survived by his wife, Paulina Chweniyagae, and 3 children. The cause of his death has not yet been made public. Thank you so much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.